The Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills District, Rituraj Ravi, has informed that investigation is on to nab the culprits involved in the hurling of petrol bombs in the city. He said that no injuries have been reported in any of the incidents, as in most of the cases.
None of the cases, any damage or any injury has been reported. Most of the cases, the object that they threw, it did not even go off, and because of that reason, there are no damage to property or any kind of injury has been reported. So there are two angles to it. One, of course, is maintenance of law and order, peace, public order, and a sense of security and confidence in the minds and hearts of peace-loving citizens of the city and of the district.